Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. It is now nearly 8:15, as you can see. I've got a glass of Coke there. Nothing stronger for me. This is the first video of 2022. Just thought I'd give you a quick pop round and a quick look at everything that's in here, all the mess. Tidy all this up tomorrow. All my spare cardboard boxes, I use them for insulation on my benches. I put them underneath and then putting your heat mats on top, it cuts down on your electric bill, so it's a really good idea. Here's my 3 LED battering grow lights. These are all doubles. Some cuttings here. I think there's some I forgot what's in there now. Little white beautiful flowers. It'll come back to me. But back there I have got cornflowers and tomatoes over there. Let's put this out of the way. Let's look at the tomatoes. Nearly. As you can see, I've got 2, 4, 6 young tomato plants there, all looking nice and healthy. They are Gardener's Delight. Just take off the edge now. I shall be putting those on shortly. I have my spring onions here. These are all coming on really well. I tried to get 5 in each one. They're really quite a deep one. They go about 4 to 6 inches. Nice white, lovely radishes. Oh, spring onions. Yep. These are my petunias from my baskets. These were from Thompson and Morgan last year. They're coming on great. I can get some cuttings off them shortly. So once you get petunias, you do not need to ever buy any plants again. You can overwinter them on your windowsills in your house and take cuttings off them. My pelargoniums at the back there, I think they were from Fibrix Nurseries. I have some gypsophilia here coming along nicely, as you can see. Some, I can never pronounce that. There's Agastacia apricots. And then if we go up, some more petunias, some more pelargoniums. At the back there I have some, I forget the name of them now, delphiniums. In here, some more cuttings, some begonias that I've started off. Get some light on here. Some begonias that I've started off there. I don't know if you can just see the roots here. The shoots, sorry. They've just started coming through there. This is nice and warm. In my thermostat, the control that tells my thermostat what temperature the soil is at. There we go, some dahlias that I've taken cuttings off shortly. They're all coming along nicely. And there's the temperature for that. As you can see there, 2 thermostats. That one's for the bottom one. As we come round here, that's full of begonias. That tub there, I'll be starting that into life shortly. This is a beautiful pink carnation, and that is doing really well. I've fetched this in. This can survive quite well outside. But I fetched it in, and I'm going to take some cuttings off there. Can you see there? Nice healthy shoots. And by taking some cuttings off this, it'll cause the plant to thicken up, so it'll be a nice bush here, and I'll get more seeds off it. This is a trailing fuchsia. I fetched it in. I got it, I think, last year or the year before. It didn't do very well over winter outside, so I fetched it in this year. I've taken some cuttings off that, but they're not doing really well because they weren't really good solid wood. Take them off. Right, here we go. This is my white store spring onions, and they're looking really well. 4 or 5 in each one of those. Looking forward to tasting those. Here we have some, spin these round. Have some Babascum, Snow Maiden. They're looking nice and healthy. Then Danthus, Pulmoris, Sonata, and they're all looking nice plants. They're getting rid of potting on. This is something I've not done before. These are hostas. These were sown on the hosta own seeds. I have to look at my internet to find out when they were sown, but light off there. Don't know if you can just see these. Just starting to get some shoots. First time I've grown my own seeds with hostas. I am really looking forward to the results. As you can see there, one there, one there, 3 or 4 coming through. Took a few weeks, but they're definitely coming through nicely now. Here's my little heater. Here's some begonias that were cuttings last year, produced nice tubers. They will be, I'll be starting those off in the next few weeks. These are some herbs I bought for £1.25 each from the supermarket. They're all doing relatively well. I've got a problem with powdery mildew at the moment, so things damping off. It's just too damp in here. I've got all this water, and I've sealed it so well that when it was the old greenhouse, it had loads of gaps in it, so the wind just blew through. I never got a problem with damp or damping off or any fungus infections. So what I've done now, I'll just show you this. Got a second on. I've got a massive big charcoal filter there and a fan there with a timer. I'll just go to switch it on and show you. Switched on. That's that switched on. And if you can hear that coming through, that basically sucks all the air from there through the tube and out the bottom there. What I'm going to do with this, I'm going to move the filter up to, I think, probably there, just above the light, and then I'm going to vent it out of that side, so that will be getting all the warm, damp, moist air out and make it a little bit drier in here. Each time it comes on for an hour in the morning, an hour at night. It's also on a speed controller there. So yeah, that's a quick whiz around my greenhouse. I'd like to thank everybody for your support. It's really appreciated. And if you like my videos, please subscribe. And as always, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, everybody. Say goodbye, monkey. Goodbye, monkey. Thank you, everybody. Bye.